In this video, how to fix Trackpad not working in Windows but working in the BIOS setup. First, notice that the touchpad option is missing from the Windows settings. When you check the device manager, you'll see the device isn't functioning correctly. But the trackpad is working on the BIOS setup page normally. As you can see, I can use the touchpad in BIOS setup without any issue. This issue often happens when software like Driver Booster installs incorrect drivers. To fix it, right-click the Windows Start icon and open Device Manager. Locate your keyboard device, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, select the HID I2C driver. Once done, you'll see the warning icon is gone. The touchpad is now working, and the touchpad option has returned to Windows settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.